Davon here with another Chix, Stix, and Brix production. Going to take you guys on a sneak peek on this job walk. Here's the Burleson property we're starting a renovation on today. Real cosmetic renovation, guys. 3 weeks max, but the plan is to be up out of here in 2 weeks and a day or two. But hey, y'all know construction. Anything can happen in construction. So I'm gonna walk you guys through on exactly what's going on, YouTube family. That way you guys can see what's what with the renovation and keep you guys plugged in from start doing the renovation to completion. Okay, let's go check out. So this is not our personal property, guys. We've been doing this for one of our investor clients. So pretty much a lot of stuff that you see here, we're keeping it. So we're keeping it with the core it currently has. We're gonna change out some fixtures. That's can lights lighted up, painted. So let's check it out. It's unique about this property. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage, and it even has a loft area with the spiral stairs upstairs. That's the only thing about it. And so we're gonna end up keeping those stairs. We just end up painting those, changing out some fixtures, some vents. Kind of start here first. We do something about those windows to get that condensation removed. Seals have been broken. Same here, you guys see that in the window, in the back. Hey Nate, we purchased 3 beams. You had mentioned purchasing 3 beams, but now looking at our room, let me know if you still want to go 3, because we're gonna start with this line right here. And so we're gonna drop a beam there. Then we're gonna come over and drop a beam like right over here where the fireplace and the vent is right there. And that'll give us 2 beams. So now you kind of see what we have left over here, and then let me give you a view from this side as well. So you can see we use that starting point right there, and we drop a beam right there, and the other one to drop, boom, right there. Yeah, 2 may look really good. 16 feet. Fireplace mantle. 88 exactly? 90 inch. 90? No. More so from this angle, from the loft area. So this is our starting point here.
Let's go.
Then we're dropping in 4 can lights as well. The floors, LVP, because the padding is where we go to floors that we're going to have to demo all the floors. Update the backsplash is needed, paint the cabinets as needed. Keep in mind if we open all this up, all these cabinets go away, so we'll be dropping these new cabinets, possibly an island. Structural change to where we build out this room, this garage, and turn it into a room. Build that out, add a window, insulation, can lights, fan, everything we need to, flooring, baseboard, add a closet. Pretty much do everything we need to do to make this a room conversion. Hey Nate, ask you this another time. I would ask you. bedroom, ceiling fan, HVAC vent, and repair that we need to do. Paint, can lights in this closet, can light, huge closet, paint. Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing? Bathroom here, flooring. Just gonna change out the shower head here. All that stay the same. Gonna remove this vanity and drop another vanity in. Gonna make this a double vanity. Gonna change out this window. Gonna replace this light. Replace the vent. Door hardware. Door stop. Door hinges will be replaced here. New faucets. Remember, it'll be 2 faucets because we're gonna convert this to 2. We're keeping the cabinets. We're painting the cabinets. Changing out the hinges. Adding cabinet hardware. Okay, y'all, this is where the real magic happened at this property. Remember, earlier in the video we discussed this was a unique floor plan. It was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage. Well, actually, we stepped into the garage, but now we converted it into a 3-bedroom, more traditional 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage setup. And so this was formerly the garage, guys. We built out a mud room here. We ended up creating a wall where the door can open and close. This is the new garage door to enter into the garage and enter into your home, into the home. Here we add the tile to match the existing decor. The existing tile floors can't even talk, guys. I need an estimate to come landscape everything. These rail tiles, some of them need to be replaced, so I need an estimate for that. I need the estimate to make that up there look amazing. You see a few of the rail ties need to be replaced up here. We have a total of 7. It's like, I want to say it's 4 or 5 down here, then 2 or 3 up front. Mulch, clean out everything, remove that bush back there, remove that other smaller bush, clean everything up, make it look nice and pretty, mulch it out. Same thing over here, trim out everything, make it look nice and pretty. We're gonna add some fake flowers. Yo guys, we finally through with the renovation here at the Burleson flip, so we're gonna walk you guys through it. Let's go check it out. Follow me. You come in now. See, we renovated this fresh paint, new dining room fixture, and see how the staging changes everything, guys. And so the house is staged, it's on the market now, ready to rock and roll, ready for a new homeowner, ready for a new buyer. Come on into the living room. We added the fireplace here in the family room, added the stone, the masonry work, the columns, the beams, the ceiling fans. Give us your thoughts. Let us know what you guys think. We'll finish walking through. We'll go here into the secondary bedrooms. Here we ended up fresh paint, added some can lights, ended up changing out the windows, new ceiling fan, nice brown accent, nice white paint walls. The bathroom, simply painted the cabinets, refinished the countertop, refinished the tub, shower enclosure, added some can lights, brightened it up a little bit, nice mirror, and the staging again just changes everything, guys. Here in our primary bedroom, added the 4 can lights, ceiling fan, changed out the windows. The primary bathroom suite. So same thing, we painted the cabinets, refinished the tubs, the showers, the countertops. Swapped out the decor. So let's go check out the other side of the house, y'all. My boy Lando on the camera, y'all. He's my cameraman today. Lucky to have him back here from Vegas. Here we just check out the loft area, guys. End up in the office. Down there we ended up swapping out the glasses here on these windows, adding the ceiling fan, paint, fresh paint around, painted the stairs. Here you can get a better look of the beams that we added, and also added the can lights for additional lighting. And here we didn't do too much to the kitchen, guys. Pretty much left it the same. We changed out, ended up painting the cabinets, added some can lights for additional lighting. We kept the same granite countertops, kept the same backsplash. Only thing we did here, like I said, was paint the cabinets, change out the cabinet hardware, the cabinet hinges. Here in the washroom, a few details here. We changed out the washer box that was leaking, added a can light here. But this is where the magic really happened at here. We transformed this house. It was a two-bedroom, two-bath house. And so we transformed it into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. But it was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage, guys. And so now what we did, we transformed one of the garages into an additional bedroom. And so this area here that you see here was formerly the garage. And so now we ended up creating a mud room, building out a mud room here. And then now we added an additional bedroom here that used to be the garage. Well insulated, has its own mini split unit for AC and heat. Added a closet. And guess what? Even has the service panel. So again, guys, give Chix, Stix, and Brix a call for all your renovation and construction needs, roofing, concrete, renovations. Give us a call. We out.